Hi, everyone. I was noticing that a lot of students are having some problems using the modulus, the percent symbol, in their code. So I decided to make a quick tutorial to show you how to use it. The modulus is the remainder that you get when you divide two numbers. A long time ago, probably in elementary school, you learned to divide and have a remainder. Then, in middle school, you started using decimals, and many of you have forgotten about remainders. Think of it like playing marbles. You and two friends, three kids total, are splitting up a pile of marbles. Everyone gets 5 marbles, but the point of the modulus is not how many each person gets, but how many are left over, the remainder. In this case, there is one leftover marble, so the modulus is 1. So let's practice. First, look at the example. Divide 19 by 4. What is the remainder? Now try the second example. What is the remainder when you divide 9 by 2? And the third example, what is the remainder when you divide 12 by 3? Remember, it doesn't matter for the modulus how much you get when you divide, but rather how much is left over. So when you divide 19 by 4, you get 4 remainder 3. So the modulus is 3. When you divide 9 by 2, you get 4 remainder 1. So the modulus is 1. When you divide 12 by 3, you get 4 with no remainder. So the modulus is 0. So how do you use this? There are many different reasons why you would need to know the modulus. But the main reason for this course is when you're determining if a number is even or odd. You would use percent sign 2. An even number would have a modulus of 0. The numbers divide without a remainder. An odd number has a modulus of 1, meaning when you divide, you have a remainder of 1. So let's practice finding the modulus and seeing if a number is even or odd. Look at the first example. Remember, to find even or odd, you divide by 2. You can only have a remainder of 0 or 1, even or odd. Divide 19 by 2. What is the remainder? Remember, if the remainder is 0, the number is even. If it is 1, the number is odd. What is the remainder when you divide 9 by 2? In the third example, what is the remainder when you divide 12 by 3? By 2. So for the first example, the remainder when you divide 19 by 2 is 1. So it has a modulus of 1, which means it's an odd number. In the second example, the remainder when you divide 9 by 2 is 1. So it has a modulus of 1, which means it's also an odd number. And in the third example, when you divide 12 by 2, you don't have a remainder. So it has a modulus of 0, which means that is an even number. So we talked about how to find the modulus, when you would use the modulus, and some other concepts dealing with modulus. If you have any questions over this, please drop into Skype to talk to me. Remember, my office hours are Monday through Thursday, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Time Zone. I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.